Oh, so today I am at the Malbork Air Base. As usually when I'm in Poland, I gotta go see some Mig29s, and today they are flying. Awesome, we're just waiting for them to land. I saw them taking off, so video will be coming up soon. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. I'm just chowing down a cherry ripe because I'm freezing. Oh, the radio's calling, they're coming in about 5 minutes. But what I wanted to show you is this house. Apparently the owner just died and it's for sale. And that's the airbase there, that's where they land. For me, this would be paradise. I would buy this house if I knew how much it was. I'd probably build a little platform up on the chimney so I can sit there and just watch the MiGs landing. My uncle who lives here, he is absolutely sick of them. But for me, this is paradise. Apparently all the MiGs from Minsk Air Base in Poland have all been transferred here. So at the background there's about 14 Mig29s sitting. This guy that I met, his name is Przemek. Pomachaj, Przemek. Hi. Przemek is a professional airplane photographer. He's got a little ladder, he's climbing up on top. He's gonna take some photos. I'm actually gonna go to the front and go get them right above me. Przemek's gonna share his footage with me. He's got a GoPro attached to his camera, so it should be pretty awesome. Stay with us. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. As usually, the Mig29s are here to show. So if you're new to the channel, you'll know that I love my airplanes, especially fighter jets. Plenty of videos of them in the channel. The link to the MiGs here in Malbork is above, because I've seen them here during summertime. This is actually my first time in 18 years to see the MiGs in winter. And they're coming. They're coming right now, I can see them. So here we go. Alright, so this is Przemek. Przemek lives 120 kilometers from here, 120 kilometers. And he drove here just to watch the MiGs. And he's got some awesome equipment, so he's going to share his GoPro footage with me and a couple of photos. So link to his Instagram here. Oh. Go and follow his channel.
Fulcrum.
Oh, I love his stuff.
Yeah.
Very nice. Nice to meet you. Miło poznać.
Good friend.
Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Check out Przemek's channel on Instagram. The MiGs were awesome. O, ale dym. O, jeszcze odpala.